Okay, you guys, so to help explain this one is a proof, right? And they're giving us that LENS is a parallelogram. This symbol up here is them telling us that LENS is a parallelogram. And this symbol is telling us that NGTH is also a parallelogram. So that means that everything we know about parallelograms are true. So basically, they say that parallelogram LENS and parallelogram NGTH are given. So that's telling us that those two are parallelograms. And then they're saying that angle L is congruent to angle ENS. And then that angle GNH is congruent to angle T. Well, that we know to be true because the opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. So here you can put opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. All right, then it leads us through the next statement. They're not asking you about this, but I'll just go ahead and help you out with it. The next statement is missing, but the reason is that vertical angles are congruent. Well, they're basically saying that, ENS also has to be congruent to GNH because vertical angles are congruent. So since these two are congruent, then by the transitive property, L is congruent to angle T also. So all of them should have two arcs in them because all of these four angles are congruent.